Hello, I'm Chad with US Floors. I'm here today to talk about COREtec Plus, the industry's first engineered luxury vinyl floor. COREtec is 100% waterproof, unlike laminate floors with HDF. It will not swell when exposed to water. It's dimensionally stable. It doesn't expand and contract. No need to acclimate. It can be installed right away. COREtec Unilin provides a warm, comfort underfoot, and improved sound insulation. Another feature about COREtec Plus is its rigid core. Unlike other luxury vinyl floors out there on the market, it does not telegraph. You don't have to worry about imperfections in your substrate that will telegraph through the vinyl surface. COREtec Plus features an angle tap locking system, which is a glueless system. But things to be aware of, since it is a floating floor system, is you want to have expansion spaces of at least 1/4 inch around any fixed object. And these are some of the tools you'll need to install COREtec Plus. Safety glasses, essential for any install. Hammer, pull bar, tapping block. It is grooved so it protects our groove system, so when you tap it, it doesn't damage it. A carbide tip blade for smooth cutting. Expansion spacers. As you can see, when you put these together, they equal 1/4 inch, and a measuring tape. And now we're going to talk about installing COREtec Plus. COREtec Plus has a groove system and a tongue system. You always want to start with your tongue system against the wall. Lay your floor down. You want to ensure that we always, like we talked about earlier, have a 1/4 inch expansion space. Use our spacers here to ensure the expansion space. New planks on the starter row. Going to angle of about 33 degrees. And lay it down. As you can see, it is locked. But you still want to go back and tap it with a pull bar because you're against the wall. Go to your next row. You're going to lock it in about 33 degrees. Drop it. After installation, you want to go back and tap. Make sure you have the product is installed 100%. Take your next piece, install the long seam, about 3 millimeters, drop it, tap the product, again ensure it's 100% installed, and use a bridge. A bridge is going to allow the product to move smoothly together when they lock. Tap it. Please follow these instructions for any COREtec Plus and COREtec Plus XL products. You can also go on our website at usfloorsllc.com for any further installation instructions.